Hello, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to be talking about how to use OBS Studio. It's a new thing like studio that I've been using recently. So it is a really cool one. You can use it to like record tutorials like what I'm doing now, games like or presentations. Like it's really hard to use. Like it looks really weird. Like look right now, it's extremely weird, but it's extremely easy to use. So by the end of the video, you'll have everything configured to record like a pro. So let's go. Let's jump in. The first thing is scenes and sources. Let's just look at OBS first. So clearly see this area right here about scenes, like scenes, and then there's a sources, and there's a audio mixture, and then there's a scene transition, and there's a control on this bottom area. And then you see on top the main your screen. It's technically like a software like that, and then you kind of see that the Python like those like as I file, edit, view, docs, profile. That's a little too complex, but for now let's just go with this. So you see right here, the main thing like of the scene is like a blank like black color, like kind of like canvas or like the main screen. And then like these ones, you see the sources, right? And then like if you click the plus icon, you can add like a display capture to like record your entire desktop, a window capture for like another app, or like a webcam. And then it's like really easy. You can like resize it if you want. And then like those, that's like the main thing about these displays. And then like the scenes, like stuff, scenes technically like your main thing. Or like there are more complex things in the controls, but that's we are going to go first. But first, now let's go to audio and clarity and filters. So let's talk about audio. Audio is something you should include in like at least an average video, right? You should have audio in it. So in audio, like the visual should be nice, obviously, but like bad audio is like just it's not best. So how you can fix your nice audio is you go to the audio mixer panel at the bottom of like the place, like here, the one where like if you like talk right now, like it just moves like so, like the little green color things, like you see that. So that's the audio mixer. You can control it. See the click the three dots next to your mic, and then you can open filters, add a noise like suppression filter, like that's like really nice. I recommend you to add that because I then just annoy, like just gets rid of any background like mute, like I don't know, like fans, like I don't know, any of those like really annoying sounds. And then like you can also add like noise gates. That's something I used recently. Like literally cuts out automatically, your mic cuts out automatically when you aren't speaking, so that's good, like just in case if you like audio, you just get started and everything. It's just the best thing to do. So it makes your voice sound crisp and studio ready. Now nobody, like let's just go to the next one. This is actually really interesting. So like performance optimization and studio mode. This is a really weird. It's not weird, it's actually very normal, but this is technically the next level. Once you start using OBS Studio, this is really important. You got to need this thing, and this is the main part, because you need to like press on record. You should record this, right? So first of all, like nobody wants like laggy footage or like something like that just looks like it's just broken. So what you need to do is you gotta go to settings, you gotta go to output, and then you gotta make sure your recording format is set to MKV, my bad. So you might be asking why MKV, like what's going to happen if I like put into other things. So like it's technically very safe if you put it to MKV. So even if your PC crashes out in the middle of when you're recording, like nothing's gonna happen. It's gonna be staying airtight and everything is going to be perfect. Then like, you know, even if it gets out, like your audio script or like your video or like your entire recording is still going to be there. So that's technically like a lifesaver, as we call it. So always put it to MKV. If you are like trying to put it into like CapCut, then I guess it's MP4, but still, hey, both of them are really nice, but I suggest you go with MKV because it's really, you know, nice, and like it's it's pretty safe. That's the main thing. Another nice feature is studio mode, and this is actually the best one. Like, this is like, I don't know, like it just really makes you feel like an like journalist, like those Hollywood like film, like those, like, it's really good. So all you gotta do is you got to do the controls panel. See, start streaming, start recording, start virtual camera, studio mode, settings, exit. In the end, you just click in studio mode, and you get two like nice like screens of the same thing. So in the middle you see like transitions. It's like editing what people will see. Like you see program, like this is where you can control, like it's on the right hand side, and preview on the left hand side. So really nice. It's technically like the same thing, but you get like so many new things. Like it kind of feels like you are an actual like editor, like someone like that. But the thing is, this is really nice. You can fade it to black, and you can fade like it's technically like CapCut, but like, you know, when you're screen recording, like straight done and done. So that's like another cool feature, studio mode. Really like that too. So another cool feature is you can split your screen. Like that's the same thing, right? So that's kind of like, it kind of move like your screen. You can move that too. And another cool thing is you can just literally like crop some parts of your screen. Like you don't want like your, I don't know, like if you're working on a laptop, you don't want like your bottom bar to be like seen, right? You don't want any of those things. So you can just like crop it. You can crop anything else, like you like privacy, like that's for that. And the next part, this is nice too. Let's get to hotkeys and outro. So it also like how to start recording, how to start streaming. So like this is like really nice, but let's, instead of just like trying to like do like spoil the video, let's just straight up to go to tell you what to do. So first of all, just go to settings. Like just do it now if you want. If you have OBS Studio, it's really also easy to download. So and then go to settings, click on hotkeys, and then you assign a key to start recording and stop recording. So then you don't have to like keep alt tabbing back into OBS Studio to start and stop your clip. So that's like really easy. So like then you can also like add this really cool feature, but for now it's premium only. It's I'm not premium. Okay. You can literally add in like a set duration of how much you're going to record, like the amount of time you're going to record. This is really nice. Like, if you don't want to like go into like OBS Studio and like you just don't want that thing, right? It's the same thing like what we said earlier, but it's nice. That's what I'm saying. And the next ones is in the control panel itself. You get these other things. Start streaming means like it's literally the exact same thing like start recording, but like it technically lasts longer, and it is also a little bit more clearer. And yeah, that's the main thing. Start recording is start recording. Start virtual camera, it's like technically a little same thing, but like you can like switch in like different tabs and everything. You can switch, but like it's kind of like a little bit more like inwards. Like you can also like switch like your camera and everything. And then settings, as we know, and exit is exit. It's normal. Exit means you technically get out of the program, but like you don't want that to happen, right? So that's the main thing about OBS Studio. So something really nice is right next to the controls bar to the left hand side, scene transition. So this is technically a cut and fade when you just close in the recording. That's also really nice. Like I recommend you to do that. The audio mixer, like you can clearly see like within these dBs, you know, it technically kind of shows how loud you are. So the more louder, the more far the like the black color thing goes, or the better you speak, right? So it has desktop audio and mic, like or like those things. So it's really nice. So right now I don't have any desktop audio because, you know, there's nothing from here. So it's just the outside one from my mic, and yeah, that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys had a nice tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.